So as I go down through it here, you can see here now, if I zoom in a bit for you, that I've now uploaded my Word document in here. And I can see here my reviewer and my author. Now, I'm going to do something here again. I'm going to also add in my architecture diagram. So as part of this review, I'm going to upload here as well. But I'm not going to create a new review. I'm going to add to the existing review. I'm going to add the one that I've just created, right? So I'm going to add this in here. And it's going to hopefully, when I upload that in here, I'm going to see it down here as well. So you can see it also down here as well, okay? Now, as I says, the whole thing here is that we can now go and add in other systems. So again, if I want to go and add in an image, so maybe as part of my documentation review for this review here, I want to add in an image. And maybe I want to add in an Excel spreadsheet, right? So I've got a few different applications there. I think someone mentioned PDF, did they?
Yes.
So let's go and let's go the whole hog here, and let's go and add in PDF.